Does dry cleaning remove smell? Dry cleaning can help to remove certain types of smells from clothing, but it is not always effective at eliminating all odors. Here are a few factors that can affect the ability of dry cleaning to remove smells. Type of odor. Some odors, such as smoke or musty smells, can be more difficult to remove than others. Source of the odor. If the source of the odor is not removed, the smell may persist even after dry cleaning. For example, if a garment has a strong body odor, dry cleaning may not be able to fully remove the smell unless the garment is thoroughly laundered. Age of the odor. Odors that have had time to set into the fabric may be more difficult to remove than fresher odors. Fabric type. Some fabrics may hold onto odors more readily than others, making it more difficult to remove smells. If you are concerned about a particularly strong or stubborn odor, it may be a good idea to speak with a professional dry cleaner about the best way to proceed. They may be able to recommend specialized treatments or techniques for removing odors from your clothing. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.